This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It. However, I did not buy anything. I know, I didn't buy anything. This was actually gifted to me. I know, who the hell am I? I don't know. But when Pop Boxes reached out to me, first of all, I was like, are you kidding me? Are you serious? Like, me? Me? Garbage me? What are you talking about? I'm a mere customer. What is this? But they were very kind enough to send me, which I was so excited because I haven't unboxed anything like this on my channel. This is MayMei, and MayMei looks so cute. And this is the Winter Weirdness Collection, which, I mean, listen, 1, it is winter. 2, I am weird. So this just makes so much sense for me. So I'm so excited to open this up. But before I do that, let me tell you, Pop Boxes is awesome. It's another place where I go and find my blind boxes. Because listen, as I've been getting into this whole just like fun, just blind box bonanza, there are some sets that are really kind of hard to find. So someone like Pop Boxes, bitch. Not only do they have current, but they do have some past stuff, and they deliver. So some of my fun unboxings have actually been purchased through Pop Boxes, and I adore them. And what I love about them is that they have fast shipping, and they're so good. And again, they have things that are a little hard to find, like my boy Pucky. There are so many Pucky things on there that I've just been slowly just adding to my Pucky collection. But even more than that, they have stuff that I have never heard of that I'm like, oh wow, I have not seen this. I need to get this. And they deliver, they really do. So listen, if you're ever interested in wanting to check anything out from Pop Boxes, first of all, they were kind enough not only to give me this, but they also let me have a little discount code, I know. So if you want to save 12% off your order, use the code, Theresa. Isn't that sweet? Thank you so much, Pop Boxes. I love you, and I can't wait to place another order later today. Y'all are wonderful. But do let me know down below though if you do wind up picking up something though. Because like I'm nosy and I need to know. But anyway, let's unbox this guy. I'm excited. Winter Weirdness. Like, could that be any more perfect for me? I know. There was one MayMei series I wanted, but I couldn't get. I think I'm gonna pop it up right here. I saw it like on TikTok Live and I was like, what is that? That looks so good. And I feel like I have not really seen MayMei in the stores. So it's just really, really nice to actually like finally see it in person. And I'm so excited. There is this one. Well, first of all, this is a complete set. So I know that I'm at least guaranteed to get the complete set-ish. We might get the secret. The secret looks fucking sick. Pop in the corner, the secret looks good. But the one that I'm like craving for, is the little snow moth guy. I love him so much. I love him so much. So I can't wait to open him. And if we don't get him, I will be very sad. Because I think he's like the best one. But all right, let me open this bad boy and let's start unboxing. I feel like this is the first time, and I just wanted to show you that I actually set up the box correctly. If you've been watching me, then you know that I suck at that. So kudos to me. Thank you. Okay, all right, maybe I didn't set it up right. It's all good. Yo, these are big. Oh, these are big bitches. Oh my God, wait, I need to have like a shake. Okay, oh, this one's even heavier. All right, okay, I'm doing this before I have to go to work because I know today it's gonna suck. So I need a little serotonin. I need a little serotonin boost before I have to go into that big bad job. So let's see if my psychic powers are on par today. I hope they are. I hope they are. So let's see. I think this is gonna be, gingerbread deer. Is it gonna be gingerbread deer? I wanna immediately say snow moth, but I don't think it's gonna be snow moth. I think this one's going to be gingerbread deer or rebel bear. It's gonna be one of those. Let's see if I'm remotely close. Let's go with gingerbread deer. Gingerbread deer. It makes me think of Ginger Dead Man. You know that horrible movie? This one? Yeah, okay. It makes me think of that. Hold on, let me put this down. I realized how completely unsafe that was. It was like teetering on the edge. First of all, this looks like a bag of potato chips. I'm not mad at it at all. You know what's so fucking funny? I was looking at this bitch, the Christmas bunny, and I was like, it's probably the Christmas bunny, but I didn't say it. Okay, I'm mad at myself for not like trusting in my gut. Oh, you know me. I don't really love bunnies, especially in blind boxes, but this one's actually kind of fucking cute. This one's cute. Okay. Okay. All right, lady. Oh my God, look at the eyes. That is so sick. Okay, you know what? Okay, she's really cute. Okay, she's really cute. Now, within these packages, one, here's the card. Card's super adorable. Love the card. And then they give you a tiny little ring because you can either make these a plush pendant or you could just like have her kind of chilling in your room. You know, they are big. They are big. So I don't know if I would actually put these on my bag because I'm afraid, I don't know, Florida's kind of gross. But maybe if I was going to dinner, just be like, and table for two, please. And it's just me and her. Hi. Oh, she is cute. Again, I don't love bunnies, but I think it's winning me over slowly but surely. Oh. And it kind of started with Pucky the other day when I got like the little Pucky, little bunny one. This one's really cute. Okay, I love you. Okay, bye. You're so cute. I love this one. Not gonna lie, I thought that was gonna be like the heaviest one. I think this box is a little bit heavier. So I'm gonna say, oh bitch, I think this is gonna be Devil of Love. I think it's gonna be Devil of Love. I feel Satan and he's telling me I'm in this box. I didn't get the secret. No, I didn't. No, okay. Sorry. I froze. I was like, wait a second. No, I am not that special today. Oh, look at Ghost Puppy. Okay, first of all, Ghost Puppy looks like that Tim Robbins. If you know, I think you should leave, right? The one skit where he's on the date and he has basically like dog hair. That's what this reminds me of. And for that very reason, I love this one even more. So cute. Okay, wait, here we go. Here's Ghost Puppy card. Love the Ghost Puppy card. Again, you get a little ring. Let's put the little ring on Tim Robinson over here. What the fuck? Okay. Aw. Don't ever talk to me or my daughter ever again. That's what it looks like. Oh, she's so pretty. I love the little green. The green's fun. I love her little coat, but I cannot help but to think about Tim Robinson now. So there's the card. That one's adorable. I'm so sorry. I like froze in panic because I was just like, this can't be the secret. I can't be that blessed. I can't be that blessed. Oh God. So far, doing horrible. I'm not guessing correctly at all. But this though, this I feel like is going to be my rebel bear. This is going to be my rebel bear or my snow moth. Rebel bear. Okay, technically I was kind of right, kind of, not really. But anyway, look, this was my second choice. But you are so perfect. First of all, I love the eyes. The eyes are so good. Also looks really good with my nail polish, just saying. That is so good. Oh my God, all right, hold on. Okay, we gotta put the little ring on her. Oh my God, I love this one. The quality is so good. I'm so happy that this is like my first introduction into like MayMei because these are so good. I'm honestly just really impressed with how big they are. I did not anticipate them being this fucking huge, but that's gonna look pretty sick though on my bag. This one I would actually put on my bag because I feel like we're up to no good. We're just palling around, going to stores. Being up to no good, you know, the usual. That one's beautiful though. Oh my God, I love that. So good. Okay, this one's like my favorite. I love you. Okay. Okay, 3 more boxes. So far, we're not doing very good, but who we're missing so far is Gingerbread Deer, Rebel Bear, and Devil of Love. So I'm gonna say that this one is, I think this is gonna be Devil of Love. Let's see if I'm right. No. I was in my head, I was like, okay, listen, if the other one, they all kind of went in a row, then it must be like that. No, completely wrong. Okay. Oh, bitch. Oh, you are so cute. Where were you at Christmas time? Oh, that's so cute. You would have been so cute at Jollywood. Oh, you would have been so cute. That one's adorable. There it is, the little key ring. Oh, I love your little bow tie. The eyes, I think, are probably like the coolest thing. I like that there's like a tiny little gingerbread man in the eye. That's so cute. They're so soft. You're so soft. I love you. Each one. I love you. You little weird. I love you. That's so good. I love the art style. These are exceeding my expectations. I have 2 more boxes left. I think this one's gonna be Rebel Bear. I feel it in my gut. I feel like we only really have 2 choices or potential secret, but I think this is gonna be my Rebel Bear. So let's see if I'm right. Bitch, okay. Anytime I see a bear, I lose my shit. I love the bears. Hello. Oh, you are so cute. I can't. I kind of want to eat them a little bit. I know that's wrong, but I feel like they just I don't know, they're just so chewy looking. I just want to eat them. Here's my little keyring guy. Oh, I love the little skull. I mean, you are Teresa's dad personified. Teresa's dad was a mascot and a bear. And weird. I mean, I am weird. I love the hat. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. And it's honestly, it's been cold here. So like, this feels right. This feels right. Oh, that's so cute. Rubber player. Okay. We have one box left. I sincerely think I didn't get the secret. If I did, that's pretty fucking crazy, but I don't think I got it. I think this is going to be Devil of Love. Let's see if I'm remotely right. Oh, just in time for Valentine's Day, you little Oh, I love this. Oh my God, hold on. Let me put your little key ring on. Oh, first of all, I love that. Oh, you are so cute. I'm not a Valentine's Day girly. Never have, never will be. But if I got something like this, I would be a pig in shit, just saying. Look how cute. Oh, this is for all my little goth babies. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love these are so good. And then of course, that is not your card, but this is your card though. How cute. Also, can I tell you, didn't even realize that this was a little magnet. I've been doing this ever since I discovered this. It's going to get to the point where it's going to stop working, but this makes me so happy. Oh, so adorable. I love you. Pop boxes. I love this. Thank you so much. This is so cute. So I love ranking them because it truly shows the Libra struggle inside of me. So let's see who I'm going to say is my least. All right. I'm going to say he's my least favorite. This is the ghost puppy, right? Ghost. Yeah. Listen, I like the ghost puppy, but I cannot help but to see fucking Tim Robinson. Which makes me love it a little bit more, but like I think the other ones are a little bit cuter though. So I'm gonna say Tim Robinson is my least favorite. I do love the little coat. Bitch got sequins, love that. Like it's really well made. Also just the curly hair, I don't know, it's fun to touch and play with. I love that. But yeah, Tim Robinson's probably my least favorite because I just think the other ones are cuter. Then I would say the rabbit, because like the rabbit is pretty fun, the Christmas bunny. I mean, listen, rabbits are definitely winning me over, which I'm happy about it. They are winning me over. But I just think there are other ones that are cuter in this collection. But I do love her little detail. I like the little like bunny skull in her eye. I love her little silver bow. And I mean, her Christmas outfit's pretty awesome. And she has a little poof in the back. Like she is really cute. She is super cute. But again, bunnies are something that I love in theory, but when it comes to blind boxes, they're like not my favorite. But I would say that she definitely, hands down, is one of the cuter bunnies I've seen in a hot minute. So I love that. Okay, so you're number 5. This is where shit gets hard now because I have to pick one. Oh, let's see, this is, shit. Because I'm gonna say number 4 is the gingerbread deer. It's so cute. I love the little hat. You're so cute. And again, I like the little dead gingerbread in the eye. Well, actually, are you dead? No, you're just a gingerbread. But I do love the little cookie and the little gingerbread guy. And I just think this is so cute. And had this been Christmas, I probably would have been like, oh my God, it's like higher on the list. But because it's closer to Valentine's Day, I'm like, you're gonna be number 4. You're gonna be number 4 and you're just gonna have to live with it. But this one's so cute though. I really do like the little bow tie. These are adorable. Okay. 4. Now number 3, it's kind of a toss up, honestly, 3 and 2, because we all know that the moth one is number 1. But it's a toss up because both of these are so cute. And I want to say, this is so cute. I love the hat on this one, but I love the devil. I love the devil. It's kind of hard because like I like this one a lot. Like I think this one's really cute. Oh, also the eyes are very demonic. They're very demonic. Oh, they're so fun. I love that one. That one's so cute. But I'm gonna say that's number 3 though, because there's just something about this one, this little snow baby, that is so fucking cute. Like I know exactly where I'm gonna put you in my office. You are adorable. I love that you're a little bear. Again, I'm partial to bears. I really am. And I love the little dead scarf. I don't know. This feels very Teresa's dead. So I'm biased. I can't help it. So you're gonna be number 2. And then number 1, surprising nobody. So I literally said it at the start of the video. This one exceeds my expectation. Something about moths in blind boxes are so good. They're so underrated, and it's just anything that is a moth, I want it immediately. And this is so good. This looks like a moth if a moth lived in Las Vegas. It's just very, very showy. I kind of just love the little fringe back here. Like I would expect to see this little guy walking around the strip, you know, asking, do you want to take a picture? And then charging $100 for it. That's who I picture. And I love that. I love a scammer. I really do. I really do. Oh my God, this one's so pretty. Oh, I love you. And this is also gonna look sick as on my bag, just saying. She's a big boy, but you deserve to have a moment. And I love the eyes. The eyes are so good. Okay, so me and my child, we gotta go because I gotta go to work now. I think I'm running a little bit late, but it was worth it though because these are everything. So first and foremost, I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have anything from MayMei, which series, and if you do, which series should I get? Because I need more now. I'm obsessed. I'm sold. I need more of these little babies in my life. So which MayMei series do you have, and which one should I look out for? And of course, I want to say a special thank you to Pop Boxes for sending this to me. I love you. I'm still in shock. I don't deserve this, and I appreciate you and I adore you. I just want to gobble you up, but I can't because I plan on making future purchases from you. So I need you to stay in business. But if you ever want to check anything out from Pop Boxes, which I invite you to do so, again, they have some really cool shit. They have current stuff. They have hard to find stuff. They pretty much have it all. And their shipping is so fucking good and fast. And I appreciate that because let me tell you, some companies that I've been purchasing from, it's like literally like 28 days, 28 business days shipping. And you're like, okay, I guess I'll see this 3 years from now. That said, if you ever want to pick up anything, I do have an affiliate code. Use the code Theresa and you can save 12% off your order. And I plan on using my code later today. Mama deserves it. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces and I'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye. Hold on. Where are you? Bye.